So, are scab tissue a sign of hair transplant failure? Now, if you're coming across this video for the first time, my name is Dr. Chafe. I'm a hair transplant surgeon and a hair loss coach, and I've helped thousands of my clients regain confidence through hair regrowth and hair transplants. So, look at this picture above. These are scab tissue, and if you've been watching and following me, you know I've talked about scab tissues multiple times. So, the question was, excessive scabbing, is it a sign of hair transplant failure? So, what is my answer today? So now what causes scabbing is just part of normal healing process after a hair transplant. Remember, we make incisions on your scalp in the area of hair loss for us to transplant the hair. So this is just a normal part of healing process. So what do I always say is that those scab anchor to your hair follicles, and sometimes they can also dislodge your grafts. And that's why it's important for you to understand how to properly clean and wash your scalp. I have this technique. I always say dab, 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 and scrub, scrub, scrub. So what does that mean? The first couple of days to 1 week, you use the hair serum or hair solution, spray on it, spray on your scalp. I always say every 2 to 3 hours, or sometimes every 1 to 2 hours if you're at home, keep spraying on that scalp. You need to soften that scalp and you dab on your scalp. Dab, 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 dab. That's all you need to do. You understand? Remember, we don't want to dislodge the graft, so we have to be careful. After 1 week, some people say 2 weeks, but you don't have to wait 2 weeks. After 1 week, you need to do more aggressive scrubbing. Well, how do you scrub? You don't scrub your dry scalp. You also still need to use a solution, spray it on it, let it sit a minute, then you scrub. You need to get it off. So this case, the scabbing has been on for 3 weeks. So he needs to do more aggressive scrubbing. Now, is it going to affect his hair transplant results? Scalp tissues can anchor to your hair and also can dislodge the grafts, or also can cause poor hair growth. So you have to understand. So early onset, scalp tissues can dislodge your grafts. Later on, scalp tissues can affect your hair growth. So, but what do we need to know? So, what are my recommendations, especially for him? Number one, he needs to scrub more aggressively, get a better hair serum or better hair conditioner, put it on it, let it sit, then scrub aggressively. Now, time will tell. In 4 to 6 months, we'll know the result of his hair transplant procedure. In 12 months, we'll have a full result. So right now, I won't give a judgment if his hair will not grow, because this is not a sign that there's going to be is a hair transplant failure. So, but he needs to do more aggressive scrubbing. If not, that hair won't grow. And until next time, bye bye.